Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to do a product review. This is a portable air conditioner from Dr. Prepare, and guys, it's so good. No summer, it's super hot. If you are looking for a great air conditioner, this one may be a good option because it's portable. You can move it around easy. Truly smart remote control guys. You can choose to use it manually with remote or with the app because they have a app you can download to use it. This portable air conditioner guys is 1400 BTU smart Wi-Fi portable, removable and washable mesh, and guys can prevent water leakage current protection, over or current protection guys, safety and protection all the way, and guys you cannot go wrong with that. And guys, as you can see, it had auto wings, and the packaging is well packaged and easy to remove everything. As you can see, me myself was able to do it by myself as I always do. And guys, this one is for you to put on the window wherever you want to put it, and it's very good. You don't have to buy anything else. For you to set it up, it comes with everything that you may need to install it. And guys, it's super easy to install. As you can see, and inside the box it's well packed, and your item would be very protected. And if you decide to buy one, that's what to expect when you open the package. As you can see, you know guys, I always bring the good ideas for you, and I check the products before I make my review. I give my honest opinion. With this heat, for me living in Florida, it's a very good option. It's a good product to have. As you can see guys, the mesh in the back, you can wash it. It's washable, reusable, and the cord is really decent length, so you can move it away from a distance of the window if you want, or wherever you can want to put it. And it has a handle for easy to move. You can move it around very easy, have the power on and off, have a sleep button, timer and everything. If you are looking for a good portable air conditioning, this can be a good option for you guys. The link will be in the description box down below. Feel free to check it out. Okay guys, in the top of the box you can see the hose, exhaust, and they're easy to set up, and just follow the instruction in the manual instruction. As you can see, it has a remote. As I said, it has a water hose, so you can just plug it into the back just to help out. Very nice. Okay guys, make sure to check the box down below if you're looking for something like that. It comes with everything that you need to install it. Nothing else required for you to buy to install it. So everything you need is inside there. If you're new to this channel, I want to take some time to welcome you. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review like today. I do clean with me, DIY, and cook with me sometime. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. Like I said guys, you can use it anywhere in your home. You can use it in your living room, your bedroom, your office, your apartment, RVs, tiny home, big home, name it. So it's super useful. And guys, it's auto wing swing guys. You can swing the button and do whatever you prefer with it. Use it with the remote, and there's a barcode, QR code. You can download the app to use it with your phone, so if you want. And guys, inside my bedroom doesn't take away, doesn't do anything to my decor. My bedroom is so pretty. I love when I'm sleeping at night and my room is super cool, and I love it so much. Make me fall asleep very easy guys. If you're looking for a good AC, like I said, this one might be a good option for you. Feel free to check the link down below. It's portable, very stylish, and then super useful, powerful, up to 90 degree Fahrenheit, which is super good, and go as low as 61 degrees Fahrenheit. So guys, super good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.